Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Agnotex. So in this session we will discuss about some IIT JAM PIQ of KTG. So let's begin. So here is the first question of this session, that is, consider free expansion of 1 mole of an ideal gas in an adiabatic container from volume V1 to V2. The entropy changes in the gas calculated by considering a reversible process between the original state V1T to the final state V2T, where T is the temperature of the system, is denoted by del S1. The corresponding change in the entropy of the surrounding is del S2. Which of the following combinations is correct? And here the options are del S1 is equal to R ln V1 by V2 and del S2 is equal to minus R ln V1 by V2. Then del S1 is equal to minus R ln V1 by V2 and del S2 is equal to R ln V1 by V2. Then here is the option C, that is del S1 is equal to R ln V2 by V1 and del S2 is equal to 0. Again, the option D is del S1 is equal to minus R ln V2 by V1 and del S2 is equal to 0. And here the answer will be del S1 is equal to R ln V2 by V1 and del S2 is equal to 0. Then here is the second question, that is, a gas of molecular mass m is at temperature T. If the gas obeys Maxwell-Boltzmann velocity distribution, the average speed of the molecule is, and here the options are kT by m root and root 2 kT by m root 2 kT by pi m, and the option D is root 8 kT by pi m. And we all know that the formula of average speed is given by root 8 kT by pi m. Then for a liquid to vapor phase transition at TTI, that is this is the transition temperature, which of the following plots between specific gives free energy G and temperature T is correct? And here these are the graph, and from here we have to find out which is correct. We know that dg is equal to vdp minus sdt, so the answer A is the correct answer. Then a tiny dust particle of mass 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 11 kg is floating in air at 300 Kelvin. Ignoring gravity, its RMS speed in micrometer per second due to random collisions with air molecule will be closest to. And here the options are 0.3, 3, 30 and 300. So let's see what will be its solution. In the question it has been given that the mass is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 11 kg and the temperature is 300 Kelvin. Again we can ignore the gravity. So we know that Vrms is equal to root 3 kT by m. So by putting this value in this equation, we can find that this will be 2.97 into 10 to the power minus 5, which is nearly equal to 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter per second. Again in the question it has been given that we have to keep the RMS speed in micrometer per second. So the answer will be 30 micrometer per second. Then this is the last question of the session, that is, when the temperature of a black body is doubled, the maximum value of its spectral energy density with respect to that at initial temperature would become. And the options are 1 by 16 times, 8 times, 16 times and 32 times. So here is the solution. We know that energy is proportional to temperature to the power 4. So by solving it and by comparing it, we can find out that U2 will be 16 U1, that is 16 times more than the initial energy. So the answer will be 16 times. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.